It's very often useful to give your client a few of the species that are going to be used in the design. One easy way to do that is to use the plant database, SPPDB, that we give with each copy of gCADPlus. Let's switch to it, and the design here calls for kangaroo paws in the front entrance. Let's scroll through. It says in the design red and green kangaroo paws. So here is an example. I can select the file, and now I'll go back to gCADPlus and we'll go draw, raster image, add, and we can now paste the path that we've taken from SPPDB, and we can insert it into the drawing to illustrate it. So there's mass planting through here. What I think I'll do is put a relatively large example of the kangaroo paws, and then just come back into the model and move that piece of text down here out of the way. And if we come back to layout, now there's our example of a kangaroo paw, a photograph, good high resolution. The same applies to the xanthivia. These are not exactly the ones that are going to be used in the design, but they give you an idea of what may happen when the design is implemented. So adding images to your layout space works really well to convey information.